By 2026, your phone may disappear. Your job may change forever, and artificial intelligence may know you better than your closest friends. Technology doesn't knock before entering your life. It replaces things quietly, until one day, everything feels different. The year 2026 will not feel futuristic, it will feel unfamiliar. Today on Mind Facts, we're revealing 20 new tech trends that will rule the world by 2026. Some will make life easier. Some will remove millions of jobs. And some will completely change what it means to be human. Let's begin. Number 1, AI agents. AI will no longer just answer questions. It will run tasks, schedule meetings, manage money, and operate businesses. Your future assistant won't be human. Number 2, humanoid robots. Robots will work in warehouses, hospitals, hotels, and even homes. By 2026, seeing a robot coworker will feel normal. Number 3, AI replacing white-collar jobs. Writers, analysts, customer support, even junior programmers automated. Jobs won't disappear overnight, they'll be phased out silently. Number 4, fully automated businesses. Entire companies will operate with almost zero human employees. AI will handle marketing, sales, operations, and support. Number 5, digital humans. AI avatars will replace call centers, influencers, and sales reps. You'll talk to them and forget they aren't real. Number 6, smart glasses replace smartphones. Your phone won't vanish, it will move to your face. Navigation, messages, and videos appear in front of your eyes. Number 7, voice-first internet. Typing becomes optional. Talking becomes the main way to interact with technology. Number 8, brain-computer interfaces. Control devices using thoughts alone. No keyboard, no mouse, no screen. Number 9, AI-generated content everywhere. Movies, ads, music, and education all personalized just for you. Reality becomes customized. Number 10, virtual worlds for work. Meetings, offices, and training move into virtual spaces. Work becomes location-free. Number 11, predictive healthcare. AI will detect diseases years before symptoms appear. Prevention replaces treatment. Number 12, gene editing. Instead of managing disease, DNA gets fixed. Permanent solutions. Number 13, AI cybersecurity. AI versus AI battles in cyberspace. Digital war happens silently. Number 14, clean energy breakthroughs. Electric becomes cheaper than gas. Fossil fuels slowly fade. Number 15, smart cities. Traffic, energy, security, all optimized by AI. Cities become intelligent systems. Number 16, emotion reading AI. Tech that understands your emotions better than humans. Number 17, AI teachers. Millions learn from AI instead of classrooms. Education becomes global. Number 18, AI financial advisors. Your money managed by algorithms. Number 19, thought-driven devices. Thinking becomes the interface. Number 20, human-AI integration. Humans and machines merge slowly, silently. The line between human and technology blurs. By 2026, the future won't arrive with noise. It will already be here. If you want to stay ahead of what's coming, like this video, subscribe to Mind Facts, comment which tech trend shocked you the most, because the future doesn't wait.